Hello, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you a basic introduction of the LifterLMS access plan system. So to get started, we'll head to the WP admin, and this system is the same for both courses and memberships. So for this example, I'll show you in a course. So we'll add a new course here, and that'll generate a fresh course. We'll skip over all this information and head straight down to the access plan system under product options. Now we can add an access plan here. We can give the plan a title. We can have enroll. And so the enroll text here will say whatever you want. You can say join now. And then the visibility settings determine who can see it. So if it's visible, anyone who comes to the course page will be able to see the access plan and enroll. If you make it hidden, then only people with the link can enroll in this access plan. So maybe if you want to send the course for free to somebody, you would create a hidden access plan for free. And then the featured access plan creates a highlighted area around the access plan just to promote it a little more if you'd like to encourage people to enroll in that more than other plans. And then we have this no payment is required checkbox that will remove payment options. And this is what you'll have to go with if you don't have a LifterLMS payment gateway set up. I don't believe I have one set up on this site currently, but I'll show you the rest of the payment settings here. So you can set the price for the course. We'll just do $20. And there's a lot of variations you can do here. You can have that be a one-time payment. You can have it be every month, year, week, or day. For a certain period of time or for all time. And then you can also do like every second, every third. Again, you can do year, month, week, or day for all time or for 3 years. You can really create any kind of variation you want here. And of course, if someone cancels their subscription, they'll be unenrolled in the course. You can have lifetime access. You can have the access expire after a certain number of years, months, weeks, or days. You can also have it expire on a specific date if you'd like. And then for plan availability, you can have it available to anyone, or you can do members-only pricing, so only people in a specific membership can purchase or enroll in this specific access plan. This is popular if you have a membership you're promoting on your site that might give you access to all 10 courses for a discount or for free. And if you want to promote that membership, then this is a great way to have an access plan that's for members only. Then you can have a trial offer. So let's say we want the trial price to be like a $1 trial for 1 year or 1 month. We can do that here. We can also, if you wanted to have a more expensive price, maybe like $100 for the first payment and then like $50 per month afterwards, you can use a trial for that as well. And then you can also have sale pricing, and maybe we're doing a launch and you want to have a sale. You can set the dates for that here and the price. And then there's a description you can have for the access plan. And then once your access plan is set up, now I've opened pretty much all the options here. Let's go and close most of these that we don't need. No trial, no sale. This is a one-time payment of $20. We will just publish this. And from here, I should be able to get the purchase link. I might not be able to if I don't have a payment gateway activated. Let's see here. Well, I'll reload this page and see if it pops up. I also didn't give this course a name, so that might also be a problem. All right, let's just give this course a name, whatever, update that. Then I should be able to get the purchase link. There we go. So I can open this purchase link in a new tab, and this is the link to the checkout page. And if I was not logged in, I'll go into an incognito window here and show you what it would look like if someone was not logged in. There we go. So we have their email address, password, first name, last name. And I currently don't have a payment gateway set up. If I did, if I had Stripe set up, for example, I would have credit card information I could enter here or PayPal information, and I could buy now. So that's the basics of the LifterLMS access plan system. Feel free to reach out with any video suggestions or questions you have in the comments. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.